PEGI 18.
In this city, only a few can move outside the system. Some are friends, some are enemies. Sometimes you won't ever know.
Hey!
Clara Lyle. A dangerous wild card, but she's the best hacker I know.
You can get to places they can't. Their security will detect the intrusion, but by then, it will be too late. I'm not used to being a team.
T-Bone Grady, scarred genius, still plays with fire.
What the heck is up with our DNA that makes us like blowing shit up? It's some primal mojo, that's for sure.
Jordy Chin. I fix it with principles that change with the price.
You gotta start separating the morals from the moolah. This is what I have for you. It's a sticky bomb. It sticks. That is a terrible plan. I love it.
Anthony Wade, a.k.a. Iraq, ex-Army. He applies military strategy to gang warfare.
This vigilante, that's the new kind of killer we're up against. You pick the fight, Pierce. Let's play it out.
Lucky Quinn rules Chicago's crime syndicate with muscle and charm.
Experience has taught me not to be manipulated, not to back down.
In a city of 3 million people, you'd be surprised how few you can trust.